I'm excited to be back on in the studio and on the set with Miss Laura Clydes of The Intentionalist. What's up, Laura?
Good morning. It's nice to see you.
Yeah, it's great to be with you here, and thanks so much for coming down today to explain to our audience some of the things going on in terms of this partnership that The Intentionalist has with Welcome Back Week. Let's hear all about it.
Absolutely. So, as you've now heard, Welcome Back Weeks is a celebration of recovery and reopening and really the things that bring heart and soul to our city, right? And that's arts and culture, but it's also, of course, small businesses and the diverse people behind them.
Yeah.
So for our part, we have a number of activations that we're doing that I'm excited to share with viewers today, including Receipt and Receive. So what this is a promotion that invites folks, no matter which small business they're patronizing, Belltown, Downtown, Pioneer Square, Chinatown ID, upload your receipt to Intentionalist, and we're going to immediately send you a reward. We're going to send you a $10 coupon, good toward any purchase from our site, and you'll automatically be entered to win additional prizes, including $100 gift certificates from diverse small businesses throughout the downtown corridor.
Wow. So you guys are, one of the things I love about your name is because you guys really are intentional with everything you do. And so much of this is about the injection of, new customers and vibrancy into small businesses. And you guys really have had a really keen focus on that. How did you guys come up with this program to say, you know what, we're going to do something very, intentional, but also innovative in bringing, more business to small businesses?
So for the Welcome Back Weeks campaigns that we're running, we really wanted to reach different people in different neighborhoods with different motivations, right? So Receipt and Receive is a reward for folks that come downtown and are spending like it matters. But then we also, if you want to check this out, these are Welcome Back coupons. And what I love about this activation, so it's focused on Chinatown International District, and there are small businesses downtown and in Chinatown, including Hood Famous Cafe and Bar and Jade Garden, who are giving out these $10 coupons to all of their customers that can be used to receive up to $10 off any of these 6 businesses. And what's amazing about this is that the 6 businesses where folks can use these Welcome Back Chinatown International District coupons are the ones that kind of fly below the radar screen. And so it's wonderful that we've been able to activate small businesses that have a little bit more of a marketing platform to get the word out to their customers to check out Nuan Dong, to check out Siren, Kobo Shop and Gallery, to check out Alice's Floral Design, Chu Min Tofu, which is a vegan, vegetarian,
one of my favorites,
Vietnamese spot, and Fort St. George.
Wow. I was just going to ask you to name them off. So you've done just that. And I got to say, for those who are looking for amazing vegan options, Chu Min Deli is amazing. And not only do they have great food, but their service is so hospitable. I mean, the owner there, she's just so sweet. And, they were doing free dinners for houseless folks, I think, on Sundays. They were doing
She's still
free
doing
food.
that.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I think that it's beautiful to have these connections with our small businesses and also to uplift the ones that are staying connected and plugged into their communities. It's a very particular community in Chinatown ID. So you guys have done a lot of great work here. How did you guys get those 6 businesses to be on that coupon?
So we asked the community. We're really fortunate to be able to collaborate with partners in the Chinatown Business Improvement Association. And we asked them, who are some of the under-celebrated businesses that you think could use a little extra attention and promotion throughout Chinatown, throughout Little Saigon, and we got their feedback in addition to conversations that we have with business owners all the time.
Wow. I mean, so that's really a part of what you guys have been doing. You guys have really stayed plugged in and connected. How has it been for you, Laura, doing this work? Because I often find that there's something that drives us to, do community-led work and community-driven work. What is that for you?
I think that the past 18 months have reminded us of the importance of our connection to one another as people and of the incredible value of community. And so for me and for the Intentionalist team, everything that we do is, yes, about making it easier for all of us to spend our money at diverse small businesses through everyday decisions about where we eat, drink, and shop. But just as importantly, it's about centering people so that folks know not only is there incredible vegan food at Chuman Tofu, but about Tanya. And it's about the fact that when we have those connections, then we start to build community with one another.
I agree with you 100% here, Laura. It's one of the reasons why I love working in the Central District, being right here in Pioneer Square, going through Chinatown ID to get to my office. I stop at various places throughout the area, right? And so much of what I love to do is spend money in places that are those small mom and pop shops. When we patron their businesses, we show them that they're valuable.
Yes.
And I think that that's really a key to what you guys are doing at the Intentionalist. What are some of the other things that folks can get from the Intentionalist? If they go to your website, what are they going to learn?
So first of all, intentionalist.com, be sure to click on Welcome Back Seattle, because in addition to the 2 promotions I mentioned, we're also going to be featuring some discounts on gift certificates from all of the diverse small businesses throughout our platform. And then beyond that, head to our blog to read stories about the really inspiring people behind the businesses in our community. And remember to spend like it matters.
Absolutely. And if a small business owner out there is watching today and they say, man, this is something I need to get on board with, how do they get their business to be featured on The Intentionalist?
So the easiest thing to do is either hit us up on social media. We're at Intentionalist with an _, or send us an email to hello@intentionalist.com. And what I will say is that while Intentionalist is intentionally focused on brick and mortar small businesses where you and I eat, drink, and shop, we love hearing from other folks as well, because we're always being asked for a whole variety of recommendations. And I think that as all of us who care about a more connected, inclusive local economy connect with and know each other, we can lift each other up and recommend each other's businesses.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so much of this is really what community is all about. And I feel that, even if you live in another community and you work in a community, you get to have the best of both worlds, because then you're able to, patron businesses where you live, but also where you work, and allow for you to shop in both places. And as somebody who loves to shop, I just got to say, I'm not mad at the opportunities for me to spread my money in the right places. And as we say all the time here, let's pay the fee for these businesses. One more time, let folks know where they can find all of the great information at The Intentionalist.
So head to intentionalist.com. Follow us on Instagram at intentionalist_. And the last shout out I want to make is to a business in Little Saigon called Mila Kai. It's been around forever.
Yes.
And I was catching up with the owner, Trin, the other day, and unfortunately she's experiencing some really serious health challenges. So we are hosting a tab at Mila Kai this weekend. Folks can stop through and get a free order of their famous butter glazed chicken wings, crispy and delicious. Stop through, show some support for Mila Kai, and let's keep Trin in our good wishes and prayers.
Wow, Laura, you guys just stay connected, and thank you so much for sharing that. You know, we wouldn't know about this or hear about this any other way than you guys consistently and continuously staying intentional in the work that you do and the connections that you make. So thank you for allowing us to know that we need to be sending love to Trin over at Mila Kai. And you're right, Mila Kai has been there forever. I just remember being a kid going through Chinatown ID. That was a sign that I've always seen. I think about them. I think about Cow Cow. I think about, you know, there's like, oh my gosh, so many of our businesses that have been there for a long time. That's definitely one of them. So I'm glad that you guys are hosting a tab. So what do people have to do if they go there? Is it that they just need to mention? How do they make sure?
They just need to let the folks there know that they'd like an order of the butter glazed chicken wings on the Intentionalist tab.
Wow.
And if folks keep an eye on our Instagram, we're also hosting additional tabs this weekend throughout Chinatown International District.
Oh, so people need to go on get on the social media so we can figure out where these tabs are at.
Absolutely.
You guys are doing amazing work and staying committed to all of this. Thank you again, Laura, for bringing this information to our audience right here and letting us know how we can stay connected to the Intentionalist and all of the amazing things you guys are doing for Welcome Back Week. We definitely need this in our city. I think so many people are ready to get out there. You know, COVID has really been striking so many of us in different ways. And now, as we have these vaccines up, now as we have more people being more comfortable, as Audra was just saying there earlier, I think it's important for us to, you know, let's get out there. Let's break the monotony of us being on Zoom. You know, let's actually go out and meet our friends for like a happy hour. It's okay now, guys. Let's do it.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for all that you do, for the community that you convene through the platform that you have, and it's always a pleasure to be with you.
Absolutely, Laura. Glad you could be with us today. You guys heard it right there from Laura at the Intentionalist. It's a lot going on down there in the Chinatown ID for Welcome Back Week. You guys follow the Intentionist on IG so you guys can learn about where to do some hopping around in the Chinatown ID and get some great, great food on the tab of the Intentionalist. An amazing opportunity for all of us to patron these small businesses.